Hello everyone, welcome to the newest iHelp lecture. In this lecture, we're going to be teaching you how to use YouTube Studio. Almost all creators use YouTube Studio on their iPhones or Android devices. So if you're a creator or you need extra help with YouTube Studio for any reason, this video is made for you. So let's open YouTube Studio up. First, as soon as you open it, the first thing that you'll notice is your analytics. So watch time minutes, we have 2.5K in the last 28 days, views 1.6K in the last 28 days, and subscriber change plus 20 in the last 28 days. And everything in this whole site, whether you're on your computer, tablet, or phone, it's all going to be based off of the last 28 days because that's how long the shortest month is. And then the second thing is your most recent video, how to create a gap on your dock. That video is doing pretty well for us right now. Okay, and then if you also click on it, just like that, if you click on the arrow, you can see all the top videos. So our 10th top video is how to use Translate on your iPhone. Pretty good, doing pretty good. Creating the ultimate iPad Pro desk setup. Very cool series that we've been working on. I recommend that you guys work on this, watch that video because it's a series that we're working on. Sorry about that. And then here at the very bottom, you'll have all your comments, your most recent comments. Sadly, we had to take down all of our comments because we had a bot attack, and a bunch of bots started spamming on our channel, so we sadly had to disable comments. But we're working on creating a new site for you guys to ask all of your questions on that site. It'll be a live chat. It'll be just like texting or emailing with us. You can also still email us at ihelpcanhelp@gmail.com. No capitals or spaces. Okay, then if you swipe to the side, you can see dashboard, videos, playlists, community, and analytics. Let's go into analytics. So when you're in analytics, you'll see real-time views, top videos. In the last 48 hours, how to use Sidecar macOS Big Sur got 60 views, 59 to be exact. When you click on it again, you'll see all of these. So AirPods Basics got 1 view in the last 48 hours. Last 60 minutes, how to use Sidecar macOS Big Sur got 1 view. And you can also go into view videos, which is all of your videos. And what's surprising is how to use Unlock with Apple Watch on your MacBook. It's actually doing pretty well. We didn't expect that to do as well as it is. So you can also see the like to dislike ratio. Ours is 8:1, which isn't very good, but it's pretty good. Creating an ultimate Mac Mini desk setup, 8:1 again. Disney Plus for iPad, 5:1, still not very good. And then at the very bottom, how to connect a Bluetooth device to your iPad, 82 views. Okay, and you can also check out our most popular video, how to use Sidecar macOS Big Sur, with 1,684 views, 21 comments, 32 likes, and 3 dislikes. So you can also see the comments. Gilbert Kitchens wrote a comment, Chris Scott did, and so did Gmail McCaw. Okay, you have playlists, which is all the playlists that you've made on your channel. Community, these are all the community blogs. Comments, sorry. And then analytics, which we've already gone through. You can also click up here next to the battery icon to switch your account. That's very amazing. Thank you guys for watching this video, and we'll see you in the next iHelp lecture. I hope that you guys start watching our series videos that actually come out every single Friday. So try to join those if you can. Try to watch those if you can. And as always, we'll see you in the next iHelp lecture. Hope this helped you.